Hey everyone, today's keyboard trick is column edit mode, which is incredibly useful if you want to edit lines and lines of text all at once. As a coder, that's a scenario that is pretty familiar. So looking at this line of code where my cursor is, imagine that I wanted to lowercase every single one of those symbols. I could do it line by line by positioning my mouse and cursor, but that would be tedious. I want to do it all in one fell swoop. So I'm going to go into edit mode, change, and lo and behold, I can lowercase multiple lines at once, which is pretty cool. Now, another scenario might be if you wanted to, for instance, prepend an underscore under a variable. You can do much the same thing. I'm going to select all the lines that I want. I'm going to change every single line at once, which is awesome. That saved me a lot of mousing and a lot of keyboarding. Remember, once you're past the learning curve for your dev tools, the mouse is almost always slower than the keyboard. So as a coder, for maximum efficiency, you really want to be good with the keyboard and forget about the mouse. Now, one more example that I'm going to show you real quick, and this is one that should be familiar to everyone. If you wanted to comment out an entire line, an entire block of text, then you can do it much the same way. Bingo. Pretty cool. One more example. Most of the big IDEs support symbol renaming, where if you rename a variable, you can automatically refactor all of the symbols so that they match the new variable name. So you can kind of see what's happening here. I have changed this variable from allow origin provider to allow provider, and now Vim is barking at me because it can no longer resolve this symbol. So if I wanted to, I could mouse over every single instance of this and manually edit it, or if I want to do it all at once, I can do it that way. Lo and behold, Vim is now happy, the symbol resolves correctly, and all is good. So that is a pretty cool keyboard trick that I don't see a lot of people using, but it's pretty neat, save you a lot of time, improve your accuracy, and allow you to get more work done faster. That's it for today. I'm gonna have another keyboard trick for you probably in the next day or two, so hang in there. All right, talk to you soon. Bye.